in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Beauty Forever. If I'm thinking correctly, this is my first time ever working with them here on my YouTube channel, so I'm pretty excited to show you guys the unit that they sent over. The unit that they sent over is a 24-inch natural straight unit, so of course we're going to be doing a little straight moment. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, of course continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan Dotson. Let's get into this install.
Boy, I'm trying to reach mama on Sunday. The nigga I love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching up positions for you. Feeling in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I need a little bit of nothing through. All my love and then that nothing I wouldn't do. But I won't go. Switching for you, perfect, just to that's a big truth. But I can tired of running, fuck it, no I'm running with you. With you, so boy I'm tryna meet mama on Sunday. The niggas I love on Monday. I need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching up positions for you. Say I'm through. I'm out of love and then I wouldn't know, but I won't go. Switching for you, get in the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I don't need a little say I'm through. I'm out of love and then I wouldn't know, but I won't go. Switching for you, some shit that I usually don't do. But feel gotta want to, 'cause it's down for me, and I'm down to. Yeah, I'm down to switching up decisions like you. It's some shit that I usually don't do. So when you're gotta want to, 'cause it's down for me, and I'm down to. Switching up decisions like you. Kitchen in the bedroom. Oh, yeah, let me say I'm through. I'm out of love and I wouldn't know, I wouldn't know. Switching for you, get in the kitchen and in the bedroom. I don't need a little say I'm coming through. I'm out of love and I wouldn't know, but I won't do. Switching for you, yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Beauty Forever. As you saw, the cap construction is your typical cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 at the front. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band as well. With the security band, you can detach it from the unit if that's not your thing, but you can also adjust it to your liking if you need to do so. When I say adjust it, I mean loosen it or tighten it as much as you need, and you can also adjust it, or rather position it where you want it to be, because there are 3 slots on each side of the unit to where the combs can go. This is a 13x4 unit, meaning you get 13 inches going in the front of the unit and 4 inches going straight back. According to the website, the specs on this unit, it says that it is human hair. It also says that it's Brazilian straight hair. So if you are someone who likes to put a curl in your hair, I wouldn't recommend this one, because 9 times out of 10 it's not going to really hold a curl. But if you are looking for a straight unit, pick this one up. They don't really give a specific number when it comes to the cap size. It just basically says average size. So my guess would be about a 22.5. For me, I would say that this unit is big head friendly because I was able to adjust the straps. And you know, most of the time I just leave it on the outside and call it a day. But I was able to adjust the straps to make this unit tighter. So I think she's big head friendly. The lace is said to be a medium brown lace. Now I will say it did have a slight tint to it, but I did still have to go in with my foundation on the inside. But I mean, clearly we can tell that the lace is lacing. Once I went in with my foundation on the inside of the cap, and then I used my even spray to spray on top of it as well, and then of course I used my contour powder to go over it a little bit. It's blending and it's melting pretty nicely, if I do say so myself. This unit can be dyed because it is human hair, but what I will say is on the website it says darker color only. So to me that kind of just means if you choose to lift this unit, mean bleaching this unit, number one, I feel like if you choose to bleach a darker unit, you're gonna have to like bleach it multiple times to get it to a blonde color or just a lighter color, just period. But just remember that you are going to run the risk of possibly ruining the unit, and I don't know, sometimes I just don't feel like it's worth taking the chance. I would just rather purchase a color unit rather than trying to lift the unit, but I don't know, that's just me. I'm trying to say is, yes, this unit can be dyed, but like I said, on the website it says darker color only, so I'm just gonna assume they mean keep it how it is. They do offer this lace in 4 different sizes, which is 4x4, 5x5, 13x4, and 13x6. Depending upon your expert level, what you like, and how much you're willing to spend, you have an option no matter what. Speaking of options, you can get this unit in 14 inches all the way down to 28 inches. I was sent the 24 inch, and honestly, this is perfect for me. 24 inches is typically my max length type of inch, but I mean, I can do a 26 inch on like a bad and bougie type of day, but 24 inches is typically where I cut it off at. This unit can come in 150% density or 180% density. I was sent the 150% density. Now what I will say is that she's not thin, and obviously she's not super thick, but she's not thin. To me it gives more of a natural type of density. I feel like 150% density can be hit or miss depending upon the company. I've had some to where it felt very natural like this one, but I've had some that have felt very, very thin, but then I've also had a few that have felt extremely thick. So like I said, I guess it just all depends on the density. For Beauty Forever, this unit that I have from Beauty Forever, it feels very natural. If you are someone who doesn't want to take that chance though, and you just want to be on the safe side, I'd recommend picking up the 180% density. Now let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. I want you guys to guess how much it costs. If you said $200, you're wrong. Go down. Yeah, go down. Currently, the unit that I have in my head, which is a 13x4, 150% density, 24 inch unit, this unit is retailing for $161.39. Yes, you heard right, $161.39. To me, that is a steal for the quality of this hair and the length of this hair. Yeah. Also, just know that I will have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, along with the coupon. It's not a personal coupon to me, it's just a coupon that they throw in, so make sure you check the description box. Overall, I have no complaints when it comes to this hair. I have gotten little to no tangling and shedding. The hair is extremely soft, it's big head friendly, and it's affordable. I mean, what more can you really ask for? Again, I'll make sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below. Thank you again to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.